When the rain doesn't stop, the fear starts to grow. Kelantan is once again facing one of the toughest flood situations this monsoon season. Continuous heavy rain has pushed rivers past warning levels, roads are being cut off, and more families are being moved to safer places as the weather gets worse. Relief centres across several districts are filling up, and rescue teams have been working non-stop to move people out before conditions get too dangerous. For many villages, this is becoming a yearly struggle. Watching water rise, grabbing whatever they can carry and hoping their homes survive. Authorities say this situation is still developing and people in low-lying areas are urged to stay alert and be ready to evacuate at any moment. How prepared do you think we really are for floods like this, and what should be improved before the next wave hits? Share your thoughts below.